Welcome. If you're looking to share your profile link on X, also known as Twitter, you're in the right place. This updated guide will walk you through the simple steps to make your profile easily accessible to friends and followers. Whether you want to promote your account or connect with others, sharing your profile link is a great way to do it. Let's dive in. First, open the X app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged in and you'll be greeted by your timeline. It's time to access your profile, so locate your profile picture at the top left of the screen and tap on it. This will lead you to your personal profile, where all your tweets and information are displayed. Once you're on your profile, look for the option that says Profile and tap on it. Here, you can see all your recent activity, followers, and other important details about your account. To share your profile link, you'll need to access the menu options, which you can find by tapping the three dots at the top right of the screen. After tapping the three dots, a menu will appear with several options. Look for the one that says Share and give it a tap. This action will allow you to choose how you want to share your profile link. You can share it through various platforms like messaging apps, email, or even copy the link to your clipboard for later use. And that's it. You've successfully shared your profile link on X. Now, whether you're sending it to friends or promoting it to a wider audience, your profile is just a click away. Remember, sharing your link is a great way to connect with others and grow your presence on the platform. Happy sharing!